Good morning. Okay, so we are, what time is it? I don't even know. What time is that to say?
10.
It's 10, and we are about to leave to go to Red Rock Canyon first because I know it's one way, and the Hoover Dam's the complete opposite way. I looked at the map.
40 minutes one way and an hour.
35 minutes one way, 40 minutes the other. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and it's really pretty outside. It's like gonna be 66 is the high. And yeah, so, but I'm cold right now, and I still sound like I'm dying. And Colin got mad because last night all I kept doing was sniffling, so we're gonna go get me some more medicine. And my hair's like a mess, but that's fine. Because we're gonna be outside, so there's no reason for me to do it. But I did my makeup. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. This is my favorite outfit of the trip, probably. It's like long sleeves underneath it, too. And then Colin's wearing penguin stuff because there's a game today. Okay, so we literally just got into Red Rock and we stopped and let's just look around me. It is
Some people were there.
gorgeous. So, Colin just made me almost die trying to get out on this rock.
Look at that walk, Devin. That's
in
it.
the middle. Okay, this is what we were way over there, way up there. No, wait, way up there, and he makes me come the whole way up to this rock, and then he wants me to go up here, and then he wants me to get back there. He's gonna kill me. That's the goal of this trip, is he's trying to kill me, obviously, because look at this.
Not horrible.
This is
6 steps.
insane. Good pictures, but insane. Okay, actually, you can see there. So this is the view from the tippy top of the freaking rock.
We're not even near the top.
We're not going up there.
I'm just saying.
Well, I mean, the tippy top of this rock that you wanted to bring me to. Oh my gosh. It's pretty.
If it was up to me, we'd already be up there.
So
blackout?
we just got to Hoover Dam. Hold on one second. And here is everything. There it is behind me. Let's see.
It actually turned out.
Well, unfortunately, they don't allow that. Now, if people do that, they can find themselves.
I was looking for
vacation to a federal penitentiary. I did see someone illegally jump off of those suits. You know, I've seen
We are in like the Hoover Dam Museum. Looking around. Just did the tour. guys, so now we are at Lake Mead, like the lookout, and so this is our view. Whoa. Oh my gosh. And there's Colin. I mean, he's cute too, but that's a pretty good view. Okay, so this bird's going over to eat the cheeseburger that I threw at him. Stingy little. He took both pieces.